Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bootable Ubuntu USB stick. So this will require downloading Ubuntu, which would be you'd be downloading an ISO image file from their website and burning it onto a USB stick. You'll need a USB stick with a size of at least 8 gigabytes. And we're going to use download and install software called Etcher in order to create the bootable USB stick. So let's begin. So I'm going to open up the web browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And I'm going to search for Ubuntu. So just go to the main website. Accept all and visit the site, and you'll be on the Ubuntu website. So if you go to the Get Ubuntu, click that, and then it'll show a menu. Click the Download Ubuntu Desktop, and here you can download Ubuntu. So you'll have two versions here. You'll have Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. And then further below, you'll actually have a more recent version of 24.10. So the main difference between this and the LTS version is the LTS version will have security update support until April of 2029, whereas the more recent version will have security support up to July of 2025, which will be next year. So but then with the recent version, you've got more recent updates where, like here, for example, you can see you've got GNOME 47, whereas the LTS is on GNOME 46. So depending on if you have no issues upgrading your Ubuntu before July of next year, then go for Ubuntu 24.10. But if you just want to install Ubuntu and just not do any updates to it, not do any upgrades, sorry, then stick with the LTS version. So for me, I'm going to go for the more recent version. So I'm going to click download 24.10. And that should start the download. There we go. Click that arrow. You can see that's going to download. So since it's 5.3 gig, it's going to take some time. So in the meantime, I'm going to open up a new tab, and in the search Google, I'm going to type in Etcher, and that's what we're going to use to sort of flash the Ubuntu ISO file to the USB stick. So if I click that link, I'll be on the Etcher site. So if I click the download Etcher button here and then select the Windows version, so if I click download, and that will download Etcher. So once Etcher is downloaded, open up the downloads folder. So minimize that. If I double click the executable for Etcher, that's going to install it and then open up the application. Okay, it's installed because you can see the icon on the left on the desktop, and that's Etcher up and running. So the next step is to wait for the Ubuntu ISO file to download, and once that's downloaded, also plug in the USB stick so you can start creating the bootable USB stick. Okay, once the Ubuntu file has been downloaded, it should be complete in the web browser. If I open downloads, the image file is there. So if I go to the Etcher, and I can start creating a bootable USB stick. So on the application, select Flash from File, go to Downloads, and select the image file for Ubuntu. Open, and then select the target. So this is the USB that I've put into my my desktop PC, so I want to use that. So select that and click flash. So once the flashing is finished, there'll be an additional process where it will validate the whole burn process. You can skip it, but I recommend to allow it to validate, just so that, because it will pick up if there's any issues that that occurred with the burn process. So yeah, need to wait for this to finish. Okay, so the process has now finished. So you'll see that it says flash completed, so that's done. So in order to use the USB stick, you would need to keep it plugged in, and when you restart the machine, you would need to set it so that the USB stick gets booted before the hard drive. So that way the Ubuntu would essentially load up, and then from there you can actually play around with Ubuntu and also install it onto the machine. And that's it. So I hope this video has been helpful to you. Leave a comment with any if you had any issues, and thanks for watching.